how to delete mentioned comments on Instagram post. At first, you will have to confirm that you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your system. So you have to confirm that. So after you confirm that, you will have to open the Instagram app on your device. Okay, so from here you will have to go with the profile section just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to choose the post whom you want to delete mention comment on that post. So simply I am choosing this post. Okay, so after choosing the post, you will have to go with the comment section. And as you can see in the comment section, I have mentioned these random people on this comment. So likewise, in your case, it might be some mentioned comment for you, or likewise, you might be also mentioning them in a comments. So to remove that, you have to hold that comment for 1 second. Okay, so after that, you will got options like delete. So simply, you can now delete the comment from your post. So simply from here, you can click on this delete option. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully deleted the mentioned comment on Instagram post. So likewise, you can also delete the mentioned comment on Instagram post. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.